What's up guys? In today's video we're gonna take a closer look at the Samsung Galaxy Tab S4. Samsung says that this thing is all about productivity and getting work done, and they also want it to be the heart of the connected home. We're gonna dive into that in a minute, but first let's check out the basics. First impression, it looks good, it feels good. It's got a metal frame and it's got a glass back, which looks really nice, but as you can see, my fingerprints all over it already. And it's lightweight, only 482 grams. Comparing with the previous model, the Tab S3, this one has a larger screen. It's gone from 9.7 inches to 10.5, just like the iPad Pro, except that it has 16:10 ratio and not 4:3 as the iPad and the previous tabs. The tablet itself isn't much larger in size, but with smaller borders or bezels, the screen counts for more of the total. The reason why we're not seeing infinity display on tablets is because you need to be able to hold it. Even on this one, where the bezels are just a bit smaller, you must focus not to touch the screen. It comes with the S Pen. This one is larger than the S Pen on the Note series and is more like a normal pen, so it feels good to hold between my fingers. A good little detail here is that it has a small bump on the side so it won't roll away as easy when you put it down on the table. The only buttons on the side are for power and volume, and they've skipped the dedicated Bixby button that we've seen on the latest S and Note phones. It's got a USB-C connector for power, it's got a mini jack connector, and it's also equipped with 4 speakers tuned by AKG that delivers Dolby Atmos sound. Actually, pretty impressive sound comparing to other tablets. On the inside, the Tab S4's got a 1.9 GHz Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. It's got 4 gigs of RAM, and this one comes with 64 gigs of internal flash storage and a 7300 milliamps battery that will last through 16 hours of video. When using the tablet for normal tablet stuff like browsing, paying bills, watching a movie, or playing games, the Galaxy Tab S4 does the job and is as good as any other tablet. The AMOLED screen is a beauty to look at, and the AKG tuned speakers gives that extra little experience. The S Pen features also come in handy when you want to take notes, scribble, or share screenshots. A great thing about this tablet is the multi-user mode. In a household, the tablet is often used by more than one person, even maybe the whole family, and having to log in and out of social media, websites, and so on can get annoying if you're sharing a tab with someone else. On the Tab S4, you can create up to 8 different personal logins. All you do is to change the user profile and you got your privacy. Since the tab has biometric security, you can access your profile using either facial or iris recognition. You can also set up kids mode with limitations for the Wii ones. When it's time to get some work done, we bring out the book cover keyboard and attach the tablet. It immediately goes into DeX mode, and the interface changes to a more desktop-like environment. We got the desktop icons that we're used to, with multiple windows and an explorer. If we connect the dedicated screen, it feels almost like a stationary computer. The Pogo stand is new with this launch, and although it's not included in the box, it's a must if you want to dock your tab. Keep one of these in your home and one at the office and you're good to go. The first obvious negative comes when we realize there is no trackpad on the keyboard. Why, you might ask? We don't know, because it should have been. So if you want to use it as a computer, you'll need to invest in a separate Bluetooth mouse. The desktop mode works with touch as well, but you're absolutely gonna want a mouse, because a mouse is just so much pointier and more precise than your fingers. The Tab S4 is a beautiful tablet, it's good at doing tablet stuff, and it has a great battery life. Samsung is definitely onto something with the DeX mode, but without the trackpad or a mouse, you won't get that full desktop experience. I wouldn't say that it can replace your laptop for work or school 100% just yet, but with the right accessories, the Tab S4 is on its way. I hope you enjoyed the review. If you did, please hit us up with a like. If you have anything to add, use the comments. See you later.